another PC build, and this time I've got a Ryzen 5 3600X, carefully slapping that into the motherboard and lowering the retention arm. And am I the only one that I cannot stand that the AMD logo isn't straight on top? Anyway, RAM is next with 16 gigs of DDR4 running at 3200 MHz. Next are these fans, which I was sent to review. These match the build perfectly and are fully adjustable RGB fans. Now putting everything in the case, the fans, next the motherboard, and then the power supply. It's a 750 watt from EVGA. Next is my least favorite part, and that's the cable management case. Now, the PC isn't going to be used for gaming, so I got this random card that I had lying around, which is a Gigabyte WindForce R9 380. So far, I'm happy with this build, but I think it's time for some RGB. One satisfying peel later, and what can I say? I'm a fan of these fans.